Hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. And it's going to be very short, and I'll be showing you very sweet stuff. And I'll be showing you 7 chords. These are basic chords that you need, and once you know these chords, they are good to go. I'm telling you, they are good to go. So I'll be showing you just the basic major 7th chord and the basic minor 7th chord. In the key of C, so I'll be playing in the key of C, and the first one will be the major 7th chord will be the C major 7th. I'll be showing you. So the C major 7th is the 1 chord, and the 4 chord is the F major 7th. So they'll be using the same shape. So I'll be showing you these shapes now. So this is the first shape. Yeah. So, and we just move to the F. This is the root, C. Then we move to the F. So that's the 7th, the major 7th chord. A very basic chord and very useful for everyday playing and every genre, any genre of song that you might be playing. So the second one is the minor 7th. So you know the second after the first note is C, and the second note is D, and the D is supposed to be minor. So the shape looks this way. Then we can add our pinky right here. So you can easily, so if we move to the next degree, which is the 3rd, that will be our E, which is also a minor chord. So that's all I'll be showing you in this lesson. So I'll be showing you how to use them. You can basically just play it through from 1 to 4. So that's it. You can use it different ways. You can do 1 and 4. Yeah, so that's it for this class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you. Cheers.